The brain controls every function of the human body, including regulation, thinking, and movement. With the use of neurofeedback, we will be able to exhibit more control over our minds than ever before. The region of the brain called the motor cortex is responsible for movement. It will be our way to understand how neurofeedback helps us be healthier. The motor cortex works together with other parts of the brain, such as the prefrontal cortex, in order to perform complex movements such as rock climbing. In order for an athlete to perform at their peak, they must have the right state of mind. The state of mind that is best for complex motor function is a state of flow. Flow is a term in positive psychology to describe when a person has the ideal level of skill for a challenge. In order to make each move on a boulder problem, I must be in flow. While flow can be found by performing challenging activities, mental or physical, it can now be trained directly through the use of neurofeedback. Neurofeedback training is simply changing your brain wave frequencies to be in flow, or a healthier state of mind. Humans emit electrical impulses throughout their brains, and these can be measured using an EEG machine. These electrical impulses release chemicals in the brain called neurotransmitters, which change a person's state of mind. Medications do the same thing but in an unnatural way that is harmful to a person's health. These are the 5 ranges of frequencies found in various regions of the brain. Training the motor cortex to emit beta frequencies more often allows people to perform better at complex motor functions. Remaining in beta for longer periods of time allows the promotion of neurogenesis. Neurogenesis is the creation of new neural connections within the brain. With guidance from a professional using an EEG machine, people can become aware of which frequencies they are emitting too often. Many neurofeedback physicians work to reduce these theta waves in patients in order to treat mental illnesses. Patients with mental illnesses will learn to be in flow more often in order to eliminate symptoms of their illnesses. People often forget just how powerful the mind is. Neurofeedback shows patients that they are in control of their state of mind and that genetics will not determine how they feel.